Hello everyone and welcome to Scuba Travel and Adventure. My name is Thomas. This is a footage from my baby steps to scuba diving, one of the first classes and a pool session. We are practicing necessary skills underwater such as scuba mask clearing, air sharing techniques, and removal and putting on scuba system. As a new diver, these very essential skills are part of mandatory knowledge. A little bit of a struggle at first, but after a few tries, we get it right. If you want to become scuba diver and get your certification, find your local scuba shop and start the journey to underwater world. I took the scuba course in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Scuba Shop, previously known as Fathoms Scuba with Ian Sutherland. Now, shop does not exist anymore, but the instructor Jason Herlic got me certified, opened his own scuba shop that is now Blue Oasis Dive Center. If you are thinking of getting certified, contact him and his crew. They will get you on the way to new adventure. Scuba classes are a lot of fun and at the same time, as you see, a little bit of struggle that everybody has to go through. Feel free to browse through my channel to experience the beautiful destinations that I have visited over the years in Mexico, Dominican Republic, Manitoba, Canada, Alberta, and British Columbia. If you like the content, smash that like button and subscribe to stay updated when I release a new video. Thank you for watching.